Hey guys, we're back with a very strange game today. Now, when I bought this, it was 54 cents on the Steam store, so it can't be too high. I've beat it once. It's actually pretty hard. May have seen Kid Tigger's video on it because I actually bought it. I'm in the beginning of the video. You should go check it out. But yeah, I thought I could get a video of this, so let's play it. Basically playing as a cat, and there's chickens like all over the map that don't like you, and they will try to kill you, so you gotta move over with your box car that doesn't move. Well, the wheels don't move. And then there's one glitch. Dead. Alright, let's see. That's the glitchy guy. He broken. Oh. You're dead. I don't know why he's just stuck there. Right. Oh, he's punched my car. Also. Bro, we're just gonna catch these hands. Oh, the jukes! There's a flower in here. Grab it. So the mission of the game, like how you beat it, is you gotta grab all 10 of these flowers. I don't know. There's also these other things, which I don't know what they do, but we're gonna go around collecting these stuff. So they're usually in like these open houses. We're gonna pick up some more of these random things. I don't know whether they're running away. That one. We're just gonna jump over them. Look at this bad boy. Run away. Okay, but one in Bob's Hardware. One in this garage. There's two. Oh, no! We're doing so good. Alright. Try it again. I did speedrun this game, but I was very bad. Yeah, I'm dead. Alright, I'm gonna try to get back to 5, and I'll probably see you guys when I do it. Oh, there's 3 in here. Alright, we're back up at 5. Oh, come on! I can't die here. Alright, we got 5. So we're back at what we were before. With chickens. Ducks, chickens, they're all the same. Very duck racist, I think, maybe. Oh, too bad. Pink cat. Alright, this one. Yoink that. Here. Ooh, there's 2 in here. Ooh, oh, it's just the stupid last 2. I left the beginning one to the end. Because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get them. So, I probably don't have much health left. I've been punched quite a few times. Come on, other one. Get out of there. Oh, shoot. Go out with the whole posse. Oh, is my car still over there? I bet I could run them over. Oh, it is! Alright, we're going to try to run these guys over. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. I've had a lot of fun making them. How's the car still driving? What? That's kind of weird. Shoot. So, 2, 1. I don't know if I can skirt these guys. Oh! Alright, you have to get in and get out. Alright, I got in. I don't know how many guys are still at the pawn shop. Dude, there's still a guy over there. Alright, we're gonna try to skirt around. They moved. They moved. Oh, I got stuck. Let's go! We beat the game. Thank you guys. I mean, this is gonna be a short video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, we died, but we beat it anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching. This will be the end of this video. Peace out. Bye!